So I spoke about the technology curve and I spoke about a curved phone. Many people will ask, why do you even need a phone that curves? Well, the correct answer to that is because you can. It's a precursor to amazing technology coming up in the future. If you can curve this, eventually you can bend it. You can bend it, you can fold it and put it in your pocket. Plus, the fact that this curves means that this screen is almost unbreakable. We also did show you a quick preview of this phone from CES, and in that I had shown you that the fact that the cover of this at the back is almost indestructible. So lots of interesting things. It's the LG G Flex and our review is coming right up.
Take a closer look, as what you're looking at is the future. As you feast your eyes on the curve, do remember that this arc represents a true paradigm shift in mobile technology. This is the first true curved phone and is a precursor to the next generation of form factor for small devices. While a flexible phone remains a pipe dream, LG has moved an inch closer to this by introducing the LG G Flex, a phone that has the right curves at just the right places. A unique design, no doubt, but why a curved display? Well, LG believes that this curved design follows the curvature of your face, enhances voice quality by reducing the gap between the mic and the mouth, and in a landscape position is perfect for viewing multimedia content. That's LG's claim. But what do you think?
I think it's a very cool phone. The look is very cool. It has this curved shape. I think that'll give us a very better vision, the fisheye vision maybe.
The curved screen, I don't think it's really a criteria for me, do I have to buy it or not? It's not really a criteria for me. And secondly, it's quite big. I don't think I'll be able to store it. I like to keep my hands free and this is just going to get in my way.
Yeah, I think the technology is very fascinating. You never know, next time they come up with some flexible curvy foam that I can keep it in my pocket. So how cool is that?
Fits in more better onto your face, so I think it's a cool phone.
I don't think this is that much of my interest because I would enjoy watching movie on a flat screen like I would enjoy on this curved phone. So I wouldn't prefer to buy this as compared to my flat screen.
All the phones have more or less the same features and you're looking for something which will stand out, which will be different, and this definitely has a different shape, so I can, that is one thing that sets it apart. So yes.
This G Flex has a big screen, a 6-inch phone with 720p display and 245 ppi. But the curved display gives it a shrinking effect and the screen does not seem that large. Also, it seems to fit better in the hand and grips more solidly too. The phone does straighten out a bit when you put pressure on it and then springs back to normal. It is a well-designed handset, strong enough to sustain pressure. Another feature of utmost importance is the self-healing back cover. We scratched the back with a sharp object and just wiped it off. Within seconds, the marks disappeared and the back remains smooth. While it works well, don't expect the phone to be a Wolverine. Minor scratches is all it can handle, but that too is a big deal. Talking about the back, this too has a single button just below the camera, a design style that LG seems to like a lot. The phone has a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 2.1 megapixel front camera as well. Amongst the many modes, there's also an option of a dual mode camera that allows you to take a single picture with both cameras together. It runs on the Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean OS and has a quad-core 2.26 GHz chipset that provides it the power it needs. LG has added some tweaks to the phone. To begin with, just knock on the phone to unlock it. Or, on the lock screen, simply swipe across to access the multimedia content. The phone does not have a storage card slot. It has 32 GB internal memory with 2 GB RAM, which should be sufficient. To go with the phone design, it also has a curved battery with 3500 mAh capacity. The Cell Guru verdict. The LG G Flex is a good option for those who are looking to own something different, something new, and something that will pave the way for the future. The technology may be great and the features may be cutting edge, but the price throws a completely different curveball at you. At a startling price of 70,000 rupees, this is predominantly for first movers and people wanting to be the first to own a curved phone.